Good morning, Nancy.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
Pretty good. It's the day after 420. I would imagine the day after 420. This is us after 420. Pretty chill. Yesterday at exactly 420, I was like, it's 420 on 420. You can't
Happy 420, Nancy! Happy 420!
Happy 420.
Happy 420, Kasi! Kasi! Happy 420!
Why are you talking?
Happy 420, man! Happy
You don't even
420!
sound Jamaican.
Stoke it up! Stoke it up!
Well,
Have you seen anything interesting lately?
today interesting? I'm trying to think.
Besides that bird that almost shit on our head?
No, nothing really interesting.
My stepmom made quesadillas for breakfast. I had one on her way out. I was like, shit, yeah. Then I served myself some homemade coffee. The shit's the shit. Secret ingredient, cinnamon. My dad puts cinnamon in the coffee. It doesn't need sugar or cream. Like, I can drink it straight up.
Canela.
Yeah, I can drink that shit straight up. But of course I put sugar in it because I need to wake up. So, gotta
My
get
dad
some
likes
sugar.
drinking that too. With cinnamon.
Cinnamon?
It's fucking good.
Is it like a Mexican thing?
I think so. But it tastes really
It's
good.
good. Everybody should
It's
try
really
it.
good.
Look, there's an airplane going off right now. This is the abandoned bridge. It used to be a real big hangout back in the day. It's a fucking long ass bridge. And at the end is the airport, so you get to watch the airplanes take off. And over here people go like... Yeah, this used to be a bridge that you can drive over, but then when they built the airport, they closed it down.
I wonder why.
To go through, for like the airport to have all that space there.
People drink out here.
People used to drink out here. I know some people who actually lost their virginity out there. The little lake. Look, there's an airplane. We're at the 10th Street Bridge. But it's not a... Look, it says Blair. What kind of a bug is that?
I almost stepped on him, so. I was like, oh no, there's a thing down there.
What kind of a bug is that?
Who knows?
If you know, let me know. Leave a comment down below.
Fuck that bug was.
Watch me break this green glass. Look, there's a creek for a baby.
Look, it's a Rio Grande River.
Yeah, is that fucking the bog going through the street?
Yes, only in the valley. Only in the valley will you find cactus growing out of concrete. Are you ready for this? Only in the valley do you find cactus growing out of concrete. Check that shit. We're here at Sonic getting our half off drinks. Woo-hoo!
And chicken strip sandwich and junior chili for the wrap.
I'm a cheap date.